In the heart of countless homes, a small, unassuming device stands guard, silently ensuring the safety and well-being of those dwelling within. This unsung hero is the carbon monoxide detector, a technological marvel that has become an indispensable part of modern living. Carbon monoxide, often dubbed the silent killer, is an odorless, colorless, and tasteless gas. This makes it incredibly difficult to detect without the proper equipment, as it gives no warning signs of its presence. It is a byproduct of incomplete combustion, occurring whenever fuels like gas, wood, oil, or coal burn. Everyday household items, such as gas stoves, fireplaces, car exhausts, and oil furnaces, can all produce carbon monoxide if not properly maintained or ventilated. Exposure to even low levels of this insidious gas can lead to a range of health problems, from mild headaches to severe neurological damage and even death. Symptoms can often be mistaken for other common illnesses, making it even more dangerous. Prolonged exposure can result in unconsciousness and, in extreme cases, can be fatal. This is where the carbon monoxide detector steps in. These devices are designed to detect the presence of carbon monoxide in the air and alert you before it reaches dangerous levels. It acts as our first line of defense against this invisible threat. When the detector senses carbon monoxide, it emits a loud alarm, giving you and your family the crucial time needed to evacuate and seek fresh air. By constantly monitoring the air for the presence of carbon monoxide, these devices provide a timely warning, allowing us to take immediate action and prevent a potential tragedy. Regular maintenance and testing of these detectors are essential to ensure they function correctly, providing peace of mind and safety for your household. The most alarming sound your carbon monoxide detector can emit is a continuous, piercing alarm, often characterized by 5 rapid beeps followed by a short pause. This alarm signals the presence of a dangerous level of carbon monoxide in your home. If you hear this 5-beep alarm, do not hesitate. Evacuate your home immediately, ensuring everyone, including pets, gets out safely. Once you are safely outside, call 911 or your local emergency services number and report a possible carbon monoxide leak. While a continuous alarm signals immediate danger, an intermittent beeping pattern, often described as a chirping sound, should not be ignored either. This chirping sound is usually an indication of a low battery or a malfunctioning detector. Ignoring this warning could have dire consequences, as a detector with a low battery or a malfunctioning sensor cannot effectively detect carbon monoxide. If you hear this chirping sound, replace the batteries immediately. If the chirping persists, even with new batteries, it's time to replace the entire detector. Section 5. A single beep. What does it mean? A single beep from your carbon monoxide detector can be confusing. It's a sound that can easily be overlooked or misunderstood, but it's crucial to pay attention to it. It might indicate a variety of things, depending on your specific detector model. Different models have different signals, and it's important to know what your specific model is trying to tell you. It could be a sign of a temporary malfunction, a low battery warning, or even an indication that the device needs to be replaced soon. Alternatively, it might simply be an indication that the detector is performing a self-test. Self-tests are routine and ensure that the detector is functioning properly. The best way to decipher the meaning of a single beep is to consult your detector's user manual. The manual is an essential resource that provides detailed information. The manual will provide a detailed explanation of all the beeping patterns and their corresponding meanings, helping you understand what each sound signifies. By consulting the manual, you can ensure you interpret your detector's language accurately. This knowledge is vital for maintaining safety in your home. Regularly testing your detector and replacing batteries as needed will help keep it in good working order. Always stay informed and proactive about your safety devices. Section 6. 3 quick beeps. Troubleshooting time. Some carbon monoxide detectors use a pattern of 3 quick beeps to signal a potential problem. This pattern often indicates a malfunctioning sensor or a problem with the detector's circuitry. If you hear 3 quick beeps, try pressing the test button on your detector. If the alarm sounds, it indicates the detector is working correctly. However, if the alarm doesn't sound, or if the 3-beep pattern persists, it's best to err on the side of caution and replace the detector. Section 7. The language of safety. Understanding the different beeping patterns of your carbon monoxide detector is crucial for ensuring the safety of your home and loved ones. These beeps are not random noises. They are carefully designed signals, each conveying a specific message about the status of your detector and the potential presence of carbon monoxide. By learning to interpret these beeping patterns, you empower yourself to respond appropriately to any situation, preventing a potential tragedy and ensuring the well-being of those you care about. Section 8. Your detector's story. Every carbon monoxide detector comes with a user manual, a small booklet that often gets overlooked or discarded. This manual is more than just a piece of paper. It is a crucial guide that can help you understand the full potential of your device. This manual, however, contains a wealth of information, including a detailed explanation of the detector's features, installation instructions, troubleshooting tips, and most importantly, a comprehensive guide to the detector's beeping patterns. These patterns are not random. Each one signifies a different status or alert, from low battery warnings to actual carbon monoxide detection. Take some time to locate and read your detector's user manual. It might be tucked away in a drawer or still in the box, but finding it is the first step to ensuring your safety. Familiarize yourself with the different beeping patterns and their meanings. Highlight important sections, make notes if necessary, and keep the manual in an easily accessible place. This knowledge can prove invaluable, enabling you to quickly identify and address any issues, ensuring your detector remains a reliable guardian of your home. By understanding your detector's story, you are taking a proactive step in safeguarding your household from the silent threat of carbon monoxide. Section 9. Maintenance matters. Like any other safety device, carbon monoxide detectors require regular maintenance to function optimally. Dust, debris, and even insects can interfere with the detector's sensors, hindering their ability to detect carbon monoxide accurately. Make it a habit to clean your carbon monoxide detectors regularly. Use a soft brush or a vacuum cleaner to gently remove any dust or debris accumulated on the detector's surface and around the sensor openings. Regular cleaning ensures your detector remains in top condition, ready to alert you to any potential danger. Section 10. Stay safe. Share your knowledge. Understanding carbon monoxide detectors and their beeping patterns is not just about personal safety, it's about fostering a culture of safety within our communities. Share this knowledge with your friends, family, and neighbours. Encourage them to install carbon monoxide detectors in their homes, and educate them about the importance of recognizing and responding to the different beeping patterns. By working together and spreading awareness, we can create safer homes and communities, ensuring everyone breathes easy, free from the silent threat of carbon monoxide.